Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's about 9:45 and 31 degrees, and it is lightly snowing. We were hoping this would not come. We were hoping not until next November, December, but we have snow again. So this is what we have to deal with today. Here's Odo feeding the kids. Well, it's about 1 o'clock and the snow melted and the ground's not too damp. It's at least the lane's not. We'll see how it is over here by the barn where there's no gravel. Well, we'll see how the ground is here. Not too bad. I was sticking on my boots. That's good. I got some scraps here for the pigs. Well, they're really liking the scraps. Okay. Harold's wanting food. Here, start with the hay. Okay, here's your hay. Well, I got everyone fed. Chickens only gave me 2 eggs today. Harold's over here sharing with 2 of the babies. Petunia is over here with the other 2 of her babies. Well, the outside pigs, they're all happy. They got the grain, they got slop, they got alfalfa. If you need a piglet, I still have some. I'll trade you for something. So I see the dogs have the slop bucket or pan all cleaned out. Shelby, you gotta move. It's cold out here. All right, it's another cold one. Gotta get back into the house where it's warm. Hey, Doodle. Oh, this is nice and warm. Well, it's about 15 to 5, and it's 33 degrees out here, only with a slight breeze. It's not as cold as it was. I do appreciate you guys watching. Have a nice evening.